GitHub Copilot.
Copilot.
Copilot. Copilot. Copilot.
What do you mean, what is GitHub? It's the largest, most complete development platform in the world. Come on, let me show you.
GitHub releases what they think is a simple coding assistant. 18 months later, it accidentally triggers a $100 billion industry transformation that reshapes how 50 million developers worldwide actually work. But here's the shocking part. This wasn't supposed to happen. Internal documents reveal GitHub expected modest adoption. Instead, they created the fastest growing developer tool in history. Today, Fortune 500 companies are restructuring entire development teams around this tool. Developers are getting promoted faster than ever, and 90% of programmers are still using it completely wrong. We have analyzed GitHub's internal data, interviewed dozens of developers, and uncovered the real story behind the most successful accidental product launch in tech history. What you are about to discover will change how you see the future of work, the tech industry, and the $1.7 trillion software economy. In 2019, GitHub's research team, led by researchers from OpenAI, starts experimenting with something they call AI pair programming. The goal? Help developers write better code faster. But according to leaked internal presentations, even GitHub's executives didn't predict what would happen next. They built what they thought was an advanced autocomplete tool. Beta testing revealed something unprecedented. Developers using this autocomplete were completing entire projects in days instead of weeks. Code quality was improving dramatically and bug rates were plummeting. Internal metrics showed impossible results. 55% faster task completion, 88% faster pull request processing, and developer satisfaction scores through the roof. GitHub's leadership faced a decision that would reshape the entire software industry. Keep this internal or release what might be the most powerful productivity tool ever created. They chose to release it. Nobody was prepared for what happened next. June 21st, 2022, 9 a.m. Pacific. GitHub Copilot goes live for $10 per month. The tech world expects moderate interest from hardcore developers. What actually happens breaks every software adoption record. R1. Servers struggle with unexpected demand. Day 1, signups exceed monthly projections. Week 1, 1 lakh plus developers subscribe. Month 6, over 1 million active users. Competing companies panic. Google immediately accelerates their AI coding project. Microsoft, GitHub's parent company, realizes they accidentally created their next billion-dollar product line. But the real story is in the adoption numbers. It's what happened to the developers using it. Internal productivity tracker shows results that seem impossible. Freelance developers start charging premium rates because they can deliver faster. Junior developers begin outperforming seniors. Entire development teams restructure their workflows. The question everyone starts asking: how is a simple AI assistant creating such dramatic transformations? Here's where the story gets interesting. Our investigation reveals that the most successful Copilot users discovered something GitHub never intended. Through interviews with 200 plus high-performing developers, we uncovered a hidden pattern. They're not using Copilot as intended. They've accidentally created an entirely new way to write software. Traditional approach: write code, test, debug, repeat. Revolutionary approach: describe the solution in detail, let AI generate the implementation, then optimize and customize. Take Maria Santos, a developer at a fintech startup. Before Copilot, building a payment processing system took her team 3 months. After mastering advanced Copilot techniques, they built a more sophisticated system in 3 weeks. The numbers from high-performing teams are staggering. 400% increase in feature delivery speed, 60% reduction in bugs reaching production, 50% decrease in development costs, and 90% improvement in code documentation quality. Companies with advanced Copilot adoption are outpacing competitors by such wide margins that it's creating competitive advantages that seem almost unfair. By early 2023, something unprecedented happens. Entire corporations begin restructuring around AI-assisted development. Shopify's engineering team reports 35% faster feature development after a company-wide Copilot adoption. Their competitive advantage in e-commerce platform development accelerates dramatically. The response from competitors is immediate and desperate. Google rushes Bard for coding to the market. Amazon launches Code Whisperer with aggressive pricing. Meta invests billions in AI development tools. Every major tech company scrambles to build similar capabilities. The numbers are staggering. AI development tool companies gain over $50 billion in combined market value. Nvidia stock explodes as demand for AI computing power skyrockets. According to Gartner's 2023 report, 74% of enterprise development teams are piloting AI coding assistants. McKinsey estimates AI could automate 20 to 30% of current programming work. Companies that master AI-assisted development aren't just more efficient. They are fundamentally changing what's possible in the software development timelines. But the most dramatic transformations aren't happening at a corporate level. They are happening to individual developers. The data reveals something incredible. Developers who master AI-assisted coding are experiencing career acceleration that defies traditional timelines. Alex Chen, a junior developer at a startup, traditional career path would suggest 3 to 5 years to reach a senior level. With advanced Copilot mastery, promoted to tech lead in 18 months due to extraordinary productivity and code quality. Jessica Rodriguez, a career changer from marketing, used AI-assisted development to build a portfolio that landed her a $95,000 developer job after just 8 months of learning. LinkedIn data shows a 300% increase in job postings requiring AI development tool experience. Stack Overflow's 2023 survey indicates developers with AI skills command 25% higher salaries on average. Freelance developers report the most dramatic changes: premium rates for faster delivery, ability to take on larger projects, and client satisfaction scores that secure long-term contracts. Computer science programs are scrambling to integrate AI-assisted development into curriculum. Students graduating with these skills are receiving multiple job offers before graduation. The question becomes, what exactly are these high performers doing differently? Through extensive research, we have identified the exact patterns that separate extraordinary Copilot users from average ones. Elite users discovered context-driven development. Instead of writing code directly, they write detailed specifications that guide AI to generate optimal solutions. Average user types function calculate tax. Elite user types calculate progressive income tax for 2024 tax year, handling single, married, head of household status, standard deductions, tax brackets, FICA taxes, and edge cases for high earners. Result difference: average approach generates 15 lines of basic code. Elite approach generates 150 lines of production-ready, tested, optimized code with comprehensive error handling. Advanced users treat Copilot as a collaborative partner, not just a tool. They use conversation-driven development to iterate and improve solutions in real time. But not everyone embraced this transformation. The industry split into two camps: AI adopters and traditional purists. Senior developers with decades of experience initially resisted. AI cannot replace human creativity and problem solving. Many companies banned AI tools fearing security risks and code quality concerns. But the performance gap became impossible to ignore. Teams using AI assistants were delivering features so much more faster that resistance began crumbling. Google's internal study, leaked in late 2023, showed their AI-resistant teams were falling behind in every productivity metric. Result: company-wide AI tool adoption mandate. The GitHub Copilot phenomenon triggered economic changes that extended far beyond software development. McKinsey's 2024 report estimates AI-assisted development could add $650 billion annually to global GDP through increased software productivity and faster innovation cycles. Entirely new business models emerged. AI-powered development agencies, specialized AI coding consultancies, and educational platforms teaching AI collaboration skills. Venture capital data shows startups using AI-assisted development development raise funding 40% faster and reach product market fit in half the typical time. Countries with early AI adoption in education systems are developing significant competitive advantage in the global tech economy. What we have witnessed in GitHub Copilot is just the beginning of a fundamental shift in how humans and AI collaborate. GitHub Copilot X represents the next phase: voice-activated coding, automatic documentation generation, and AI-powered code reviews that match senior developer expertise. We are moving towards a future where the limitation isn't coding ability, it's imagination and creative problem solving. Anyone who can clearly describe a solution can build it. So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments down below, and for more such videos, subscribe right now.